Welcome to the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator Assessment. I will be providing some instructions for you so that your results will most accurately reflect your Myers-Briggs personality preferences. The MBTI tool is unique and therefore has very different instructions from what you've typically encountered when completing other assessments. Please keep these unique instructions in mind as you answer the questions. Think about your daily life. You wear many different hats depending on the situation, and you flex to the needs of your environment. In your role at work, for example, you probably perform many different functions. You may be responsible for creating strategy, putting out fires, brainstorming new ideas, developing policies, or focusing on the bottom line. Yet one hat likely reflects your innate preferences, so you may enjoy it more. Many factors impact our behavior as we wear our various hats: our values, background, history, experience, culture, and skills we've learned to be successful at work. These things, in combination with our natural, inborn preferences that are identified by our MBTI personality assessment, come together to create our behaviors, what other people see. The goal for the MBTI assessment is to identify your Myers-Briggs personality type. That's the part of you that reflects your natural inborn preferences. Your Myers-Briggs personality type is the part of you that stays the same and is constant throughout your life, even though your behavior may change over time and in response to the situation, environment, and the roles you play in life. So your type doesn't change. However, your behaviors may change over time. The Myers-Briggs assessment presents you with forced choice questions, forcing you to choose between two equally valuable opposites. You may see a question and think to yourself, I can do both. If this happens, it's likely based on your work environment is forcing you to behave in a way that is utilizing skills outside of your natural preference, so much so that you have learned to do both. But consider, if this happens, which one is more enjoyable? Which one comes more natural to you when you are free to be yourself without anyone judging you or observing you in a particular role? What if you didn't have to go to work and you were free to behave in a way that feels most preferred? So don't overthink an answer. Choose the response that reflects your most authentic self. Identifying your natural MBTI preferences will help you feel empowered to know the difference between what you do. Even if you're very successful at these skills, they may be required of you, but it may be creating stress. It may be taking a lot of energy to flex outside of your natural preferences. So this life-changing self-awareness can really help you identify, this is what I do versus this is who you are inside, your true authentic self.